breaking inputs also coming in. The NHRC has now issued a notice to the Kolkata police. This is after the lathi charge against students. The NHRC has now sought a detailed report within 2 weeks. Remember, the students had been protesting and there was a crackdown on the protesting students. Lathi charge on the students, after which the NHRC has now taken note of the same, issuing a notice to the Kolkata police in this regard and asking for a detailed report within 2 weeks on what happened, what led to the lathi charge. Remember, the students had been protesting, demanding justice and demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister, after which the police crackdown began. Violence also broke out. Several students have been injured in this clash. The police officials have also been injured, but now the NHRC has taken note of the same and has now asked for a detailed report on the crackdown on the protesters. So, Shreya, the NHRC taking note. This is after the crackdown on the students.
Well, of course, this is after the Nabarno Chalo Abhiyan. Remember, we have seen how the streets of Kolkata turned absolutely into a battleground. We saw fierce confrontation between the protesters and Kolkata police. Remember, police was ready. They were carrying water cannons, tear gas shells and also lathis. So remember, several protesters were lathi charged. In fact, tear gas shells were used. Water cannons were also used. Now, as far as the police is concerned, remember that day the DC have clearly told us that it was the protesters who first started attacking the police. They were throwing stones at the police and other things, and that is the time when police took charge. In fact, remember, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee came out to praise the police action. Mamata Banerjee said that it was a conspiracy hatched by the opposition. They wanted a body, but kudos to the police how they handled the entire situation. But as far as the opposition is concerned, remember, they have called out the police brutality on these protesting students. BJP the very next day called for a 12-hour ban, and now it is the NHRC who have taken a notice. They want a detailed report from Kolkata police within 2 weeks because of the crackdown of the police on these protesters.
Okay, all right. So, Tapas is also joining us on the broadcast. NHRC crackdown, NHRC in fact stepping in after the police crackdown. But Tapas, we were just speaking about the audio tapes as well and the questions that it raises. Meanwhile, we